This is the Candy Man. Got a couple of problems today. Was a hell of a fucking day. First, got a new sliding door in, and the fucking locks don't work. So I'm just gonna put a sign up instead of it saying where I got the windows from. It's gonna say, "Come to my house and rob me," 'cause I can't lock my fucking doors. Jesus Christ. And then there's another thing about Subway. Their hours are till 11 o'clock. You go there at 10:45, the fucking things don't make you nothing to eat. Because it's fucking closed. I say to those bastards, change your fucking signs, assholes. So then we know what time you fucking close, you lazy bastards. And, yeah. And so, after all these years, it's fucking sad for me to report to you that I'm still fucking single. And that's the sad fucking story. This is the Candy Man, and I'm fucking out!